Here we are in the fall of 2024, and we're getting ready to visit the Phun Waterfall. And this is in Lap Lay town in Uttaradit province. And this is about 7 hours north of Bangkok, Thailand. And here we are on the path. Now, you'll notice there that they have restroom facilities, trash cans, and vendors. And this is a weekend, so it's fairly well attended. As you can see, the beautiful grounds. Now, it's a little bit of a walk here to the waterfall. One thing that you're going to notice there at the waterfall is there are a lot of dogs. Well, those dogs live here, and they're very interested in the tourists because the tourists feed them. So it's kind of interesting. It looks like everybody brought their dog to the waterfall, but no, those dogs live here. So we're continuing our hike there from the parking lot to the waterfall, a quick maintenance on the shoe. And there we see these stone tables. Obviously, they stay out in the weather. Now, in Thailand, it's always hot. The famous saying is the 4 seasons are hot, hotter, wet, wetter. But here we're at the tail end of the monsoon, and it is quite warm today. And here we go, we're approaching the waterfall. Now, when I say waterfall, this isn't a big, majestic cascade of water coming down the mountain. It's relatively small, but it is popular. And there we see all of these pet dogs, and they live here. That's right, this is their waterfall. And there we go. And we see a lot of people are cooling off there in the pools at the bottom of the waterfall. And here we see our stone steps going up to the next level. And here we go. I would say this is the main pool at the base of the waterfall.